Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious, soft Turkish flatbread that is baked in the oven. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. This Turkish bread can be served with kebabs or any kind of side dish of your choice. Let's get started with this recipe. Here in a bowl, I'm going to add 230 ml of whole wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour if you like, or the combination of whole wheat and all-purpose flour. To this I'm adding half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon instant yeast away from the salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, and go ahead and mix them well. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 250 ml of warm water. Go ahead and mix them until it's all well incorporated. The dough might be a little sticky, don't worry about it. And I'm adding another half a teaspoon of oil and go ahead and proof them until it doubles in size. Now once that doubles, it looks something like that. Here I have parchment paper lined on a baking tray. I'm going to just transfer that. You can also work this on a working surface, but I think it will be a little sticky. We are not going to add any excess flour to knead or anything. We don't want to take out the air pockets because it's important that you just leave the air pockets in it. I'm just going to gently flatten it up a little bit and divide them into two parts. If you want to make it as a one big flatbread, you can definitely make it. I'm going to divide them into two parts, and then I'm going to gently bring the edges together and just give it any shape of your choice, round or oval, whatever you like. You can give any shape. And then here I'm adding some white sesame seed and kalonji. Just sprinkle on top with your wet hand. Just press it down. Some people like to add egg wash. If you prefer, go ahead and add that, but I'm just going to press it with the water. Now my oven is preheating at 420 degree Fahrenheit. I'm going to just bake this for 12 minutes. Now once it's done, it's nice and brown, remove it and brush it with some butter. It's that easy. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.